Kadon kita ben biasa kom kaptasmen no sistem lanti penkala buat freedom bizim kala kadon.
The Jaintia National Council JNC and the Jaintia Students Movement JSM have expressed concerns about the situation in Bangladesh and its potential impact on Meghalaya. In a recent meeting with Meghalaya's Deputy Chief Minister and State Home Minister Preston Tinsong, the JNC and JSM submitted a memorandum outlining their demands to prevent infiltration from Bangladesh into Meghalaya. After the meeting, JNC President Sambormi Lingdo and JSM General Secretary Roy Dakar briefed the media, voicing their concerns about possible infiltration due to the current situation in Bangladesh.
To come forward to demand from the government to set up a temporary police camp so that from the people living in the border, they will be safe and secure from the infiltrate of the people from Bangladesh.
Kajing yuhi jungi kajing damkam kabanungkong kalong ba ni na kaliang ki arseng ila kershai ya ka sarkar jilla ba kingdom ay kita ki refugee camp hapo jilla Meghalaya kumba kala jiateng ha porbadan katma ka Bangladesh ban ka Pakistan ha ka khandai ya puwe taga ba ar nila ay jumut ya ka sarkar jilla ya home minister bakin bu no da ki temporary police check camp ha ki benta ki ba dei border